quadratic equation, we will be using the positive and the negative. So, in addition, x sub 1 is equal to negative b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And x sub 2 is equal to negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay? So, if you're wondering why it became like this, since this is addition, okay, since it is addition, every sign all over here will change depending on it. So, positive times negative is equal to negative. So, that's why it became negative also. So, positive, and so on. Now, since they have the same denominator, so why does x plus 1, x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to negative 2b all over or over 2a? So, remember that we have b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and we have negative b minus b squared minus 4ac. So the positive square root of b squared minus 4ac and the negative b squared minus 4ac. So we will subtract. Okay, we will subtract this both, so we can cancel that out. So it will become negative 2b and the denominator as 2a. That is why in the sum of quadratic equation, or in the sum of the roots of quadratic equation, when we get the x, all we have to do is to use the equation x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to negative b over a. Since 2 and 2 is, we can divide that. So the equation here will be x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to a all over a. So that is the equation in getting the sum of the roots of quadratic equation. Okay. How about the product of the roots of the quadratic equation? So, okay, here we have here the, okay, same as how we did with the addition. Okay, the negative b, the quantity of negative b plus square root of b minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, I forget to write the square here. It still has the squared. Okay. No, it's here inside, not outside. Okay. So negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a times negative b minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay. Okay, have you noticed that inside they have the same value? So we can write that in this term. In x sub 1 times x sub 2 is equal to negative b squared. Since negative b and negative b, so they can combine. So we can combine the b here, and positive times negative is negative square root of, so they are still the same, b squared minus 4ac squared. Squared means they have 2. Okay. Okay, to do that, cancelled out the square root sign. So the remain will be negative b squared minus b squared minus 4ac. Okay, don't forget the denominator 2a. 2a. 2a squared pala to. Since it has 2a, then 2a squared, it will become 4a. Okay. As you have noticed, negative b, negative times negative b is positive b. Okay? Okay. Okay. Positive b is because negative b squared is positive b. And here, copy the sign and cancel the radical sign. Then we'll have the remain of 2b. B squared is equal to 4ac. Okay. Cancel this out. Cancel this out. So, the remain value we have is this. 4ac over 4a squared. Okay. Since they are the same 4, so we can divide. Okay, and the rule in dividing variable. Okay. How many 4a are there in 4ac? So there is remain c cancelled out. So the remain here is a. So x sub 1 times x sub 2 is equal to